everyone, it's Sheila and welcome to my channel. On my channel I do unboxings of all sorts, so if you like unboxing videos, definitely hit on the subscribe button down below. I would love to have you join me. And of course, to all my regular subscribers, welcome back. Now for today's video, guys, I have my Macys Beauty Box for the month of April. We are going to go ahead and we are going to get straight into it. I can't remember off the top of my head, but I think it's $15.99 a month. I will leave all the information in the description box down below, along with the link in case you're interested in signing up for it. But I have been getting this for, I'm thinking like 6 months now, and I have been very happy with all the boxes. Well, there was 1 month that I was slightly disappointed, but all the rest have been great. So yeah. Oh, look at the bag this month. How adorable is this bag? Here is the little brochure they give you. They also give you a little $5 off coupon, and they have a nice description of everything that's in the box. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna open it. I really like this. This is a very pretty bag this month. Now, when you unbag it, it comes wrapped so beautifully in this pink paper. So we'll just put the bag right here. It comes bundled up like this. So I'm going to unwrap it and then we will talk about what they sent. Okay, so the first item out that I'm very super excited about, actually I have never tried this before. Unbelievable. Of all the makeup boxes I have never got one of these, and these are makeup erasers, and I've heard people rave about these. And this is the original makeup eraser, and this says the last step in every glam routine is taking it off every night, beauties, no matter how tired you are. And I do that no matter how tired I am. It is a very rare day that I go to bed without my face washed. This gem is chemical free, super soft, and washable, which means less waste than with disposable ones. The retail value of this is $20, and it says how to use. Just add water and wipe off makeup. It really is that easy, and that's what it says. So I'm going to open it and look at it. I have seen many people use this, and this is the way it looks. So it just looks like a nice little rag. You just wet it. I can't wait to try this tonight. I'm super excited about this. Now the next one is Call It Magic. And this is an eyeliner. And this is the best supporting tool in dramatic eye looks. Goes to eyeliner, which I need right now. And this full-size matte pencil makes it easy to create the look you want, gliding gently across the eyelids without pulling. Retail value of this is $24. Pro tip, pen along the waterline of your upper eyelid to make the lash line appear more dark and full. So this is the way it looks. It's a nice pencil. Nice dark line. So I'm very excited to try that. I always need eyeliner, never goes to waste. And then it looks like a nice makeup brush. And I don't know what you call these. This is called tapered blending. I am not an expert at applying eyeshadow, but is that the way it's supposed to look for all you professional makeup people out there? See how it has a dip? Let me see. Maybe it'll tell me in the directions here. Behind every smoky eye or sparkly glam look, there's a great brush, and this one is a full size and ready to work wonders. So it doesn't say, I can't see the picture good enough if that is the way it's supposed to look. So you guys let me know. Okay, and then we have something else, and this is Clinique, and this is Quick Liner for Eyes Intense. And Clinique. The intensity of a liquid liner. Oh man, okay, so we got a pencil earlier and now we got a liquid liner and a built-in smudger. This little number is here for drama. $20 is the retail value. And it says blend up with the smudger to use as an eyeshadow primer after it sets. So this is the way it looks, and Clinique is a good name. And that's the way. It's just your typical eyeliner. Okay, and then we have this, and this is I Want To. See, all good name brand stuff in this. And this is Bright Notes of Velvety Peach and Jasmine are rounded out with warm vanilla in this floral perfume. 3.3 ounce size of this is $118. Yes, ma'am. So I've never had a Jimmy Choo perfume until now. See, I love this. I get to try high quality items in this Macys Beauty Box, and that's what I really, really like about it, because there is no way I could spend $118 on a Jimmy Choo perfume. So let me see. Oh, I like it. Oh, a little goes a long way. That's super intense. But I definitely floral with some vanilla, which is a good scent. I have another perfume too, and this is Jimmy Choo. We got Jimmy Choo, another one, and this is called Man. And this is Meet Jimmy Choo OG Scent for Men, a fresh blend of lavender, honeydew, melon, pink pepper, and suede. And a 3.3 ounce size of this is $92. Well, now I got the female Jimmy Choo going on, but let me just spray it in the air and see. My husband's not too much. Wow, that smells really clean. My husband's not a big cologne person, but I think he would like this. It has a very clean, masculine scent. I like it. Is that wrong? Is it wrong for me to like it? I don't know, but I like it. Okay, we have another great named item, guys. Yves Saint Laurent. Oh, this is a primer. And as obsessed as we are with blurring primers, this one is Creme de la Creme with 4 nourishing oils to smooth skin, boost radiance, and deliver that pre-makeup dewy glow without greasy residue. A full size of this is $52. And how to use: you apply after moisturizer to prep for the foundation. So right before you go to put your foundation on, you put this on. So let's see what it looks like. It looks like just like a clear gel. A little sticky. Oh, it has like I want to say a silicone feel to it. I don't know though. Well, I have my favorite primer, but I am very happy to try a high-end primer for sure. Okay, so I'm going to use this box right here so I can show you everything that came in here. We got the makeup eraser. We got the Kohl Magic eyeliner. We got the Clinique eyeliner. So we got 2 eyeliners. We got a makeup brush. And we got 2 Jimmy Choo's perfumes, one for men, one for women. Then we have the Saint Laurent primer. So that's everything that came in the box this month. Like I said, I will leave all the information in the description box if you're interested. I love this. Very high-end products to get to try out. But anybody, all you makeup artists out there, is that supposed to look like that, or is that a malfunction? I don't know. Okay, well, I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye-bye.